Hi and welcome. In this edition of It's a Wow, you're going to see tips and tricks for amazing highlight and contour, hooded eyes, natural looks, more dramatic from makeup brands like Huda Beauty, NYX, MAC Cosmetics, and many more. It's a wow. The Amrezy Highlighter, a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills, was released in 2018 and looks good on all skin tones. It's a wow. These fabulous liquid lipsticks from Kylie Cosmetics come individually packaged or in the famous lip kits in formulas like velvet, matte, and metallic. You can go glamorous or natural like in this tutorial. It's a wow. What an awesome beauty hack, using tools you probably already own for contouring hooded eyes to make the eyelids appear larger, and for eyeliner. It's a wow. Beauty vlogger extraordinaire started a collaboration with MAC Cosmetics in 2017. The collection includes lipsticks, loose setting powders, eyeshadows, and much more. It's a wow. These Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palettes are 9 shades, perfect for on the go, in colors like sapphire, topaz, ruby, and emerald. It's a wow. Juvia's Place started by featuring Queen Nefertiti on their eyeshadow palettes as an example of a beauty icon. The whole collection is amazing. It's a wow. This makeup tutorial shows how you can use the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette on the eyes, on the cheeks, anywhere on the face where you want some light. Comes in Bronze Sands edition, Golden Sands, and Pink Sands. It's a wow. This makeup tutorial features tips and tricks for rainbow-colored eyeshadow, a cut crease, glowing skin. Wait till you see the end. Did you know that Pony Effect is a makeup brand by K-Beauty leading makeup artist Pony? You can see the transformation in this tutorial using the products. It's a wow. This makeup look is perfect for a party or a festival. Unicorn rainbow hair and eyeshadow using products like Morphe and Violet Voss. Take a look.